In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to hit accessibility and convenience. Now scroll again, this time to click on one-handed mode. And use this gray switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back to standard size screen, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!